MS-CIT, Unique Gateway to New Age Careers. MS-CIT is an information technology literacy course started by MKCL in the year 2001. It is the most popular IT literacy course in Maharashtra. It has transformed more than 1 crore 40 lakh learners into smart users of information technology. MS-CIT is essential for jobs in government service. This course is jointly certified by MKCL and Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education, MSBT. It has parity with international standards. Its features are e-learning and self-learning through MKCL ERA platform, hands-on practice sessions, academic interactions, assessments and collaboration. MS-CIT course is available in 2 options: IT awareness and job readiness. To master digital skills in fast-growing IT world, we recommend this option for school students, teachers, government and semi-government employees, homemakers, senior citizens, or anyone who want to learn basic digital skills. Job readiness. To master job readiness and self-employability in digital space, this option is for someone who either searching for their first job or preparing for competitive exams or searching for new opportunities, better job, or wants to increase their productivity in job, or wants to start as freelancing, wants to start own business. MS-CIT is based on these 12 pillars: basic computer smartphone skills, various information technology concepts, and awareness about inventions and discoveries. Typing skills, scientific method of errorless typing in English, Devanagari, Marathi, Hindi. Digital skills for daily life, for managing and living a better quality of life with the help of various mobile apps and websites. Digital India skills, to become a responsible citizen and avail various government services schemes. 21st century study skills, transform to style of studying in 21st century and getting its benefits to the fullest. Coding skills to master if you want to thrive in a programming career. MS Office skills, knowledge of office automation tools to work effectively and smartly at workplace. Remote working skills, remote work provides flexibility and productivity. Go green, norms of eco-friendly use of computers. Ergonomics, norms of using computer in a healthy way. Digital etiquettes for decent behavior in the cyber world. Cyber security skills, to educate about risks in the cyber world and best practices for maintaining safety and security. MS-CIT course syllabus. In this course you will learn Introduction to Computer and Smartphone, Computer Typing and Voice Typing, Windows 10, Internet and Chrome, MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Outlook and Gmail, Office 365, G Suite, 50 important mobile apps. Coding. Introduction to 4th Industrial Revolution. The 4th Industrial Revolution is changing how we live, work, and communicate. The 4th Industrial Revolution includes big data, machine learning, artificial intelligence, robotics, augmented reality, virtual reality, Internet of Things, 3D printing. You will learn all of these in just 2 months. The course is available in Marathi, English and Hindi language. You will get highly engaging e-learning content and get an illustrative and informative printed book to learn theory. To get admission for MS-CIT, you need to submit application form which will be available in nearest MS-CIT authorized learning center. Once you submit the form, you will get the learner ID and password to access MKCL's learning management system, that is ERA, e-learning revolution for all, to learn MS-CIT course. Final certificate will be issued by MSBT to the successfully passed learners at Authorized Learning Center. So, let's gear up and join now, MS-CIT. To get more information, visit www.mkcl.org/join or contact MKCL's nearest MS-CIT center.